Hi guys, we're taking a look at my new Merach massage gun. So it's gonna come in a box like such. So this is gonna be a mini massage gun. So I have had larger versions of these, but having a small one is so good for on-the-go use. If you want to throw one in your gym bag or for travel, it is just so convenient. If you have not experienced a deep tissue massage gun, you guys, game changer. So good if you're feeling sore. And it comes with a ton of different attachments that are great for different areas in your body. So this one comes with a case, which I love. It keeps things just nice and tidy. So it's gonna be the gun itself. I've already kind of charged mine up itself. So you're just gonna hit the button down below here. You can see 3 different settings there for intensity. So you can see 1, 2, and then 3 is gonna be your most intense feature. So I'm just gonna turn that off quick. And then this is the ball head, which is great for larger muscle groups. Honestly, I probably use this one more than all of the massage heads. I just feel like this one feels good everywhere. And then you've got the fork head as well, great for back, spine, and hip. I do it kind of like behind my ankle sometimes. It's kind of a fun way to use it. And then we've got the flat head. It says suitable for all parts of the body. I personally end up using this a lot on my thighs, both like front and back of them. And then lastly, we've got the bullet head, which is meant specifically for joints, deep tissue, as well as your feet. I use it on my feet all the time. It feels really good. I am on my feet a lot, doing like long walks, etc. And that just like really helps relax them. So you can give yourself a nice little at-home massage. So basically you just want to twist those in to have it be secure. Then I'm going to turn it on and you can see excellent massaging as my voice changes here. But no, it gives you like great amount of penetration. And battery life on here is super long as well. Should be able to go on like a single charge for about 7 days. That's based on you using it for about 20 minutes per day or per use on there. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. It does have a 1-year warranty on it as well. Definitely would recommend this if you want a good on-the-go massage gun. Check it out, guys.